So I will be sending you the YouTube link later. Let's start with the midterm pattern. So there are going to be two parts of the midterm. Part 1 and part 2. So part 1 will be multiple choice questions, true, false. And part 2 will be your short questions and scenarios. So I will be uploading part 1 and part 2 separately. So I will be uploading part 1 on our WeChat group and giving you, for example, 40 minutes to do that. All you have to do, you fill out this part 1 and send its answer sheet within 40 minutes and send it to my personal WeChat, like you are sending me the assignments, or email me as well. So how we are conducting part 1? Let me just check. Part 1. I will be sending you the questions and also answer sheet. An answer sheet will be like this. This is true, false, and I will be giving you one page in which there are some columns. This is true, false box. This is MCQs box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? All you have to do, you have to write down the answer here. For example, 1 is true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Right? All you have to do, you have to fill these boxes. Like in MCQ boxes, this is A, C, E, D, B, C, right? All you have to do, you have to fill the boxes and save that answer sheet file and send it to my WeChat or email. You know my email is jamal@cc@hotmail.com. I will be also pasting my email address on the answer sheet as well. Either you are required to send this answer sheet to my email or my WeChat, like you are sending me the assignment, right? So I will be sending you two parts of part 1. One is the answer sheet and one is the question. You read the question, write down the answer here, and in answer sheet, you can use ePen, you can use, or you can just edit. This will be a Word file. Just edit it. Write down from your computer true, false, like that. And regarding our cheating or misbehavior in our or disruption in the exam, what you have to do, you need to stay. You need to turn your camera, always stay on, and your microphone as well. You are not allowed to turn off your video. The proper, I think, word is but during all the all the midterm is for like maximum 2 to 2.5 hours. So you need to turn on both your video and your audio as well. And if you are disturbed by some voices, So you can turn off your volume, right? So then you don't hear the other counterparties, background voices, noises, right? Everybody understand that? You must turn on your video plus the microphone as well. And all these will be recorded. If someone is caught some kind of suspicious activity, rather paying attention on the screen, he is paying more attention on the mobile phone, then I automatically assume that you guys are using some kind of a background channel, WhatsApp channel or WeChat channel or some Skype channel or something, and I will consider that you are cheating. Understand? And regarding the part 2, which is short questions or some kind of scenarios. So I will be giving you some graphs to make, like I gave you the assignment 1 in which we talk about that the shift in supply, what is the new equilibrium, right? And you need to find out what price increase and quantity increase. So that 3-step process of the law of supply and demand together to find out new equilibrium. That will be also I will be testing. I will be giving you some kind of graphs. All you have to do, you have to make a graph, and at the end write down what is the end result of our new equilibrium, price increase or quantity increase or not, and some short questions just like that. So all you have to do, you have to use the same, or you can edit. If you have an e-pen, you can use the same page, the same part 2 questions. There is going to be space, you can write it down, or you can edit it through PDF file. I'm not going to send this part 2 in Word file. The reason is because maybe someone change the writings and say that because, okay, I understand this, or someone maybe change the question. That's why I will be sending the part 2 in PDF. Part 1 also in PDF, but answer sheet I will send you in Word file, part 1, right? All the paper are going to be in PDF file. All you have to do, you have to edit or use ePen. Or if you have a printer, you can take a print, write it down, take a picture, convert it into a Word file and send it to me, like what we are doing in our assignment. If you understand that, any more question? If you understand all these rules, then our lecture is officially finished. If you still feel that we need to discuss some kind of concept, so do write us in our WeChat group, and I encourage the other fellow, mates, the other class fellows that you answer this question as well if I am not available. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Right. Take care and best of luck for your exam.
Thank you. See you next week.
Bye-bye. Good night.